Welcome to Once Upon a Tale of Kids. Join us on magical adventures filled with enchanting stories, fun animal friends, and exciting lessons. Don't miss a single moment of the fun. Hit the subscribe button and be part of our storytime journey. Let the tales begin.
Deep in the enchanted forest, there lived a unicorn named Luna, known for her sparkling coat and kind heart. Luna wasn't like other unicorns, she was special, for she could light up the entire sky with her glowing magic. Luna is practicing by the edge of a magical pond, where she creates dazzling trails of light in the sky. But as she's practicing, she hears laughter coming from the Rainbow Hill. Luna, oh? What's all the laughter about? She trots toward the hill and finds a group of magical creatures, Flutter the butterfly, Spark the dragon, and Pip the squirrel, all gathered near the starting line of a race. The race is special, called the Rainbow Race, where participants run through a magical rainbow that appears only once a year. Flutter the butterfly, Luna. We're about to start the Rainbow Race, and we need one more contestant. Would you like to join us? Luna looks at her friends, unsure. She loves her glowing magic, but she's never raced before. Luna, I'm not sure. I've never raced through a rainbow before. What if I can't keep up? Spark the dragon. Oh, Luna, don't worry. The rainbow race isn't about winning or being the fastest. It's about enjoying the journey and helping others along the way. Pip the squirrel, and, Luna, sometimes the magic comes when you least expect it. Luna smiles nervously but agrees to join. All the creatures line up, and the race begins with a burst of light as the rainbow appears, casting a beautiful glow over everything. Luna, Flutter, let me help you get past these flowers. Flutter, who is stuck on a flower, smiles and thanks Luna. Together, they navigate the maze. Luna's glowing mane lights up the path, helping her friends see in the dark corners of the maze. They all move forward together. Sometimes, the best way to move forward is to help those around you. Luna learned that it wasn't about winning. It was about the kindness shared along the way. Spark the dragon, I'll fly across first and help you all from the sky. He takes off into the air but realizes the wind is too strong for him to carry others. As he struggles, Luna thinks of a plan. Luna, let's work together. Flutter, can you carry Pip across? I can use my glow to guide you all safely. They all work as a team, helping each other cross the river, with Luna's glow lighting up their path. When Luna crosses last, she smiles. Luna, look, we did it together. The journey isn't about racing ahead, it's about helping one another. Luna realized that sometimes the greatest victories happen when we support and care for our friends. Luna, Spark, wait. You look like you need a break. Let's finish this together. Luna trots alongside Spark, offering him a gentle nudge. Spark smiles, feeling encouraged. Spark the dragon, thank you, Luna. I don't think I would have made it without you. As they near the finish line, Luna's light shines brighter, and she feels her heart full of joy, not from winning, but from the amazing adventure and friendships she's made. The finish line is only a part of the race. What matters most is the joy found along the way, and Luna learned that friendship is the greatest prize. And so, Luna the sparkling unicorn discovered that sometimes the greatest magic isn't in being the fastest, but in spreading kindness and helping others. Together, they all learned that the journey is just as important as the destination. Luna, thank you, everyone. I couldn't have done it without all of you. All together, we shine brighter.